Sichuan Lida Water Treatment Equipment Company Limited since 2004 and headquartered in Chengdu, Sichuan Province, is a high-tech enterprise specializing in the integrated R&D, manufacturing, sales, and service of medical-grade water treatment systems. With facilities spanning 2,000 square meters and a workforce of 100 professionals, the company leverages 20-plus years of expertise to deliver customized purification solutions for medical, industrial, and household applications. Our advanced technological portfolio includes reverse osmosis, electrodeionization ultrafiltration, nanofiltration, and membrane barrier (MBR) systems. Combining robust customization capabilities with end-to-end engineering support, we provide tailored turnkey solutions designed to meet specific client requirements. To date, our equipment has been exported to over 30 countries across Asia, Africa, South America, and beyond.